What's this? What have you there in your bag? Yum.
Yum?
Yum. Why is it so irregular shaped? Gekwa looks like that.
Of our place.
Gekwa of our place because of Mokogo. We'll need to put it through forensics. You understand? You understand? We'll have to look at it, look inside it. You could have put in something. I put something because I'm the one who grew it. I bring flour. I bring ekwa. What do you eat? You say this one is gekwa. Why does it have a similar name to this other one? No, this is gekwa. This is kegoa.
One more.
Machete. I don't know that stuff for them airport. Matio is kari umako. So what do you do with this kegoa? What do you do with it?
We eat for sukari.
This one is sukari now. Kienyo. What do you, I don't understand you completely. You're saying that this is sugar. Sugar cane. You know, like cane extra. Oh, it's extra. Are we sure it's not it's not anachromatic? It is Nikia. This is you shoe. When you shoe, the Murio Tata.
You hango goyo.
And I brought it for my cousin Ngangawage Todo. He has missed. He say he missed sugar.
Todo mundo aí a foto a vida na ngirima.
So what's this? This is it's called ngirima of my.
What's that?
Ngirima is you prepare it from an animal. Animal? So what part of an animal is this? You see where there is a uterus. There are several. So now, this is Dodillo. This is Gelima. You put blood. Blood? You put blood in this? You're carrying blood around with you? No, not that blood. Yeah, make with one.
Of boozy.
Of Nini, he goat. You know. Oh! That one. So you're taking blood to your cousin in Seattle? Not like that. Ah. Even you.
Hasta bebe.
So, okay, that will also go to forensics. We also have to do chemical analysis on that one to find out what it is. And what's in the jerry can? Moshema. Moshe what? This is our wine.
Traditional.
Traditional. This one you beat 2 horns. You kuguru kwaga. You're saying, wait a minute, let me get this straight. You're saying this is wine, you put it in a plastic jerry can. It's called a gafai. And my cousin Ngangawage Todo, Mr. Trimakambri.
We'll transport it like this.
This one is of hand. Of hand? Yeah, more kotamere. So what are they? I don't know. We need to know the ingredients in your, what did you call it? Muratina. In your muratina. In your muratina.
Traditional.
We say we put there kegwa. We put honey. And then now the muratina plant. Then we let it cook. And the water, even you can call your mkubwa to taste. No, it doesn't work like that. We ain't gonna taste it. We are not gonna taste it. We're just gonna have to hold on to these items. We're gonna hold on to them, and then after we say they go, and we're gonna get them right back to you. No way. We get the ngirima with the spoil. So you're saying that this is the uterus of a goat? You are not good. What are these? Those ones is madagiro. You sure? Okay, let me ask you. This is between me and you, and I'm gonna ask my seniors to leave the office. Take a break, everybody. Everybody, take a break. Take a break. Take a break. You say your name is Wamai. Yes, Benjamin Wamai. Wamai. I'm gonna ask you once. I'm not gonna ask you twice. I'm gonna ask you once. Did you come to America to practice witchcraft? Because we don't practice that up in here. If you're coming here to practice witchcraft, you're very far away from home. But we don't practice that all the year here. So I don't understand why you got goat legs, then you got a goat uterus,
and blood,
and alcohol that you can't quantify the alcoholic volume. It looks to me clearly you got witchcraft paraphernalia. So what kind of witch are you? Juju? You from Nigeria or from where? Is voodoo? I'm gonna ask you that once. I'm not gonna ask again. So you gonna explain to me like a 6-year-old, you say you come to see your cousin Nyanga Gitondo, and I see he's listed here as a citizen in Seattle, and I got that one right. But I need to know why you would transport a goat head from Moranga.
It's from biting soup.
That one, when we are told a midway, you boil soup of a goat head. Look, let's make this very simple for us, because I don't get you completely. I don't get you. You got goat head, you got goat legs, you got the uterus of a goat. You got cane. You got yam. You need to convince me. You need to convince me you ain't no witch, because I don't get it.